शिव योग।
Today, the year is passing and the new year is coming. And I pray to Shiva कि जो नया साल बहुत शुभ हो आपके लिए। And for that it is very, very important to give Shakti to the year which is going and to give a lot of Shakti to welcome the new year. And we are going to do this Trishati with Avaran. And there is another gift I am going to give you, that is Durga Sapshati with Shri Vidya. And to facilitate that, our sadhaks are working day and night, And there is, as I mentioned yesterday, you had been practicing certain lifestyle since the beginning. I want you to bring a shift in your lifestyle. And the lifestyle, which you all know, is dancing, eating, and probably drinking on 31st night to, we say, so-called welcoming the new year. But it is not welcoming the new year, because when a person is not in the senses, how he can welcome anybody? You understand? So, I never say anything do's and don'ts, but I always say leave alcohol. Alcohol in any form, whether it is wine or beer, even that is not allowed in Shiv Yoga, because I am very concerned about your growth. And I will request today, please listen to me. I don't say unnecessary anything. He sees everything. We'll have to raise the energy. There is going to be a fight between lower energy and positive energy. So I want to see how many of you join me. So today you will not go out of your room. Some of you may not like, but it is not liking or disliking, it is your welfare, which is more important for me. So all of you are going to sit and do the meditation, or sit and do this, and probably today or by tomorrow, because we are moving very fast to make a book. Our sadhaks have gone, you will find many of them not sitting here, trying to publish by today evening or by tomorrow, Shri Vidya Durga Sapshati. So much khajana I am giving you. Take it. And some of the sadhaks, those who are in a habit of stealing, I say, you can steal the food, you can steal the clothes, but you cannot steal the jnana. So when I am already giving, it is not the words, it is written material or recorded material which you take. Actually, you take the blessing. It is the energy which you cannot see. So when I am happily giving you, वो फलीभूत होएगी. And unfortunately, if somebody is trying to steal, they have not understood the truth of life. So, please, I want to help. I want to give. So, today, all of you sit at home. No, do not, you promise me you will not go out. Eat food at home or no food. If you want to welcome, then fast and welcome. What is there? So, make it fast and fury. Understand? And do the sadhana. And again, you will not go out. No dining, nothing. Good. You enjoy. You enjoy even now, you enjoy food, you enjoy swimming pool, you enjoy everything. I am not saying that. And learn to enjoy the other way. It is not only with the music and hoo-ha, hoo-hoo. There are many ways of enjoying. So try doing a divine way of enjoying. And as I said, you at home, whenever there is a celebration, do Mata Ki Chauki, invite sadhaks, and instead of throwing a party, do the bandara. It will be more cleaner, more divine, more sacred. So bring a change. Remember one thing, any society will grow if they have a culture. Culture is your power. Sanskara is your power. Actually, we have such a rich heritage. But why we are lagging behind? Because we are not holding on to our sanskaras. So, hold on to the sanskaras. Pass it on to the new generation. It's a very rich heritage. Teach them the concept of energy. They are learning the concept of physicality. And they are so much to do it in physicality. But our rich heritage is a step beyond that. That is the energy, then the vibration. So teach them the energy concept. Teach them how to raise the energy. Your celebration should be with divinity. Okay? So do that. And remember, no alcohol. So this year, we are taking a vow, no alcohol. And let me tell you one thing, and I am sorry. I'm saying it first, I am sorry. Why I am saying is that those who receive Diksha from me, if they don't listen and they consume alcohol, either they get some bowels in the body, or stomach ache, or a lot of vomiting, and after that they are scared of taking alcohol. So it's better don't try. Yeah? Because it is not good. The cleansing has started very fast in you. And any toxin you will consume, the body is already doing the detoxification and the result will appear. So let what is already there get cleansed rather than putting in and then watching that thing to get cleansed. Okay? Because ahimsa, it starts only when you are in your senses. So the principle of ahimsa paramo dharma, you can follow only when you are in senses. Anyone who is drunk, for him there is no ahimsa, there is no ahimsa. He will do whatever he will do. So, and it has been observed that the moment a person consumes alcohol, his aura shrinks to zero level. Whereas when you do sadhana, your aura has expanded so much, your chakra has expanded so much, and after the consumption of alcohol, the aura shrink to zero and the chakra they close. So then that person is very vulnerable to psychic attacks. That person is very vulnerable to the negative entities which are present in the atmosphere. So your house should be positive, your house should be fort, and that is only possible when your energy is very powerful. So keep your energy powerful with your sadhana, with the happiness, with so much of, good things in life. So bless you. Nama